Yes, mommy.
Guys, trying to look for a place to film is the hardest thing ever.
Okay, this is so much better. Yes, mommy.
Hi, editing me here. Hi. I want to start by apologizing for how unserious and messy the video is gonna look to most people.
So this is the package I received. I had bought it for the Amare. I'm so sorry if I'm saying her name wrong. I still can't pronounce her name to save my life. It's hard. It's hard. Like, I was so excited because I discovered in 2020 during the pandemic and I really loved her. By the way, you like the car? Like the hat? It's adding a little bit of touch. I bought it and never once wore it. It was from Cider. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how you call it, Cider. Anyway, so this is from Temu. There's actually 2 to 3 things I'm excited inside there because I saw this digital camera. It looked like a camera we could be using like in the 2000s, like the late 2000s. And I wanted to use it throughout the concert, but I didn't end up going because my job decided it was okay to release me 2 weeks before I got my concert ticket. And I have to economize because I am, by the end of this year, I will become a college student and I got to start saving up. I can't save to save my life, but I need to. It's a skill I need to learn. So yeah, with that out of the way, the package came because I ordered it 2 weeks ago, 2 to 3 weeks ago, and it's finally come. So although I'm not going, I am still trying to go to an audition, like an SM audition that's happening the 31st. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that because transit from where I'm living to Toronto is about $60 back and forth, so that makes like $120 I'm spending. But the good thing is I'll be living in my auntie's, so I don't have to think about the expense of living. Anyways, this was a skirt I was planning to wear. I don't know if I should put it on for you guys to see. I was planning to wear it. Oh, that looks so good. It like my outfit in here was to wear this with like heels from Shoe Dazzle. Like I saw those Just Fab or Shoe Dazzle, whichever place. I'm pretty sure they're pretty much the same, just different apps. I mean, the website. These shoes were really pretty. Like they were wedge, but in forms of sandals. Trust me, they would have worked so well. And then I was planning to wear it with like, and then I bought myself slippers. I know the slippers never last because of fake, but hey, I have to economize and I'm genuinely poor. This economic is not letting me grow and succeed. That's so cute. In the form of cow. My sister bought her own bed in the dark gray, so I bought the light gray to match. This sun is helping me so much. Black people on sun like this, but I put it on sunscreen because your girl want to catch cancer. No, she doesn't. And I bought a mini lamp because I read a lot, like. And then I bought another slippers, but in the form of dog, like. Yeah, this is the camera. Like, look at it. Like, I saw the reviews because I don't buy anything like this without looking at the reviews. Because imagine buying something and it doesn't work. I've done that a few times and I don't have money to waste. Like, it was because we are Canadians. That things are a little bit expensive for us. A little bit. Well, things are expensive. Gosh, I'm not trying to destroy the box. I just want to open it. Open, motherfucker. I'm destroying this box. Oh, okay. It opened. Like, this is it. It's so mini but cute. Like, I can't wait to try it. Let me do the mini unboxing. Like, look at this. I've never owned a camera because they're too expensive, but I am planning to buy one because I want to do like college vlogs, like talk about college live vlogging. But right now I'm doing just dancing, singing, and vlogs there and there, random vlogs there and there. But little by little I'm organizing it. Oh yeah, by the way, thank you for the 388 subscribers. Like I'm happy. Like I didn't know I accomplished that in 2.5 years. Was I having high hopes and expectations to accomplish 1,000 by 2 years? Yes, but hey, life never goes my way, so why will it start going now? I will keep persevering, and thank you so much, guys. By the way, subscribe, like, respectfully comment. I can't wait to see what you guys have to say. If I start rushing, just know I'm not used to this. I'm a little bit shy. That's why I haven't done any outside vlogging yet, because I'm still getting myself ready. Anyway, this is it. Like, I'm excited, but this is for later. This is for later. This is money well spent. And then I bought lashes, beauty tool. I don't know, it looked cute, so I bought it. Anything cute is me. Anything cute is me. And then I bought shoe bags for when you're traveling. Pink color, because why not? And then this was the top I was supposed to wear. Once again, I said I don't buy a lot of clothing. Guys, when I tell you I'm on a budget, I'm on a budget. I can't spend, even though I am spending, because I need things. Right now, I'm trying to buy because I need it, not because I want it. Well, I'm just basically doing the same thing my parents told me to do, but I guess now I'm finally getting the lesson because I'm actually paying for most of my bills. But I'm grateful for living with my parents. I'm very grateful. Anyway, so yeah, I don't buy clothes a lot for them. Most of the time I trade from Value Village, places like that, places where it's affordable. It's my type of affordable, because your type of affordable might not be my type of affordable. But I saw this top, even the skirt, like when I saw it I was like, I have to get it. I don't care how the value is, or how good it is, or how good the sewing is. I just had to get it. So cute. Like, this was what I was planning to rock. If it wasn't this, I was planning to wear like a corset with like the black wedges. Oh, I would have looked so cute in it. Like, tell me this is not cute. Look at this. Oh, I'd have rocked it. Like, oh gosh, too bad, too sad. My job said, nah, we don't need you anymore. So I got the money to go spend and go and enjoy a concert like that. That would have been my first concert. But I guess I'll just have to experience that next time. Okay, and I also bought charger, like this big ass charger, because I am a lazy person, and during the night I don't like stressing myself. Like, my bed makes a lot of noise, so my parents' room is just the next wall, and I don't like when they can be knocking on my door and be like, you're making so much noise. And then I bought this lip balm, because why not? The more the merrier. Else, I bought this for my phone, because if you guys don't know, I broke one of the screens for my, I don't know how I did it, I just did. That's how clumsy I am. I broke this. I tried to buy like this little glittery one to replace it. I hope it's the right size. My dad is gonna help me with it. And then I bought waist chain. I think I've been getting into waist chain, waist bead, because I'm getting back into my culture. Oh, I'm not wearing it right now, never mind. I was trying to show you guys the hair. So I bought this to go with my little outfit. Like, the more I work my money, the more I'm discovering my style. That person that said that it's not because you don't know how to dress, it's because you don't have the money to dress the way you want to dress was right. Did I say the quote exactly the way it was? No. But I hope you got what I mean. So cringy. I need to stop cringing at myself. This is the reason why I am my enemy of progress. Anyways, and then this one is actually a neck chain. It's supposed to go around your neck. I saw it, I was like, if I don't get it, am I princess? I don't know how to figure it out, but it's supposed to like go around here like this and then be like this. Anyways, I hope you get the main idea. And then I got stickers, because I'm in love with stickers. I'm obsessed with stickers. When I was a kid, even though I didn't have money and I was in Africa, but like, girl, anytime I got the chance to buy a sticker or one of my candy came with stickers, I'll put them all over my drawing books. All over my drawing books. I was a sticker girl. Everyone knew I was collecting them. Like, look at that. That's so cute. I can't wait. It's been bilingual. Oh, by the way, I'm very random. So I jump from one thing to another without really explaining myself. So try and follow. Another bag. You put your shoes when you're traveling. The sun is so good, but now it's like, phone screen protector, the black one, because I read manuals and books and smart, and I like my privacy. And then I saw this, I had to get it. Phone case, Hello Kitty, like, this is what I'm splurging my money at, and I don't have a job anymore. It's really sad. So I was talking about getting a job. So I have a Subway and a Tim Hortons close to me, like Subway, Tim Hortons, pharmacy, party shop, like stuff like that, but like that 45-minute walk away from me, and I used to walk to work because the closest grocery store we have is a Metro. Well, now that I don't work anymore there, I applied for the other places because my sister works at a team, but none of them have called me, so I don't know how I'm going to do, because online jobs are really hard to find when you live in the middle of nowhere and in Canada, because jobs are getting scarce. Like, isn't it cute? Hair grip and bangles. As a kid, my mom used to buy us bangles 24/7, and I grew up watching Bollywood, Nollywood, telenovelas. I grew up watching everything, so I used to obsess with this, and I got the money to buy now. Money I don't have anymore. So right now I'm currently looking for a job. Anyways, another earring. It's just the same earring as the gold one, but this one is great. What's the name again? Aluminium? Iron? I'm dumb. So as for school, I was supposed to graduate last year, but depression really hit me really hard, to the point where I was struggling to finish any of my courses. So I had to gain 3 more credits, and that's what I'm doing this year, so that by September I'm going to college, because I know I don't have the grades required anymore for university. And honestly, I don't think university is on my board, but I just want to go to college first, get a degree, and then if I choose to continue, oh my goodness, this light is not favoring me, I'll just have to stand there. I'll continue in university, because I'm going to study performing arts and psychology. Oh, that's it. Well, that was it. So this is kind of a mini life update, even though I feel like this video is gonna be end up long. I don't know who the target audience for this video is gonna end up being, but like, if I have to do a vlog, I might as well start here, a little life update where I show you the stuff I've got. I'm gonna be getting more stuff, because since I thought I would be in Toronto by next week, more of my stuff are going to my sister, so she'll just have to give it back to me, or when I'm going for my SM audition, I'll bring it with me. Guys, by the way, if you're interested in like dance, singing, discovering, like all of this is just a journey to me. And since I feel very isolated, once again, middle of the nowhere, I started this YouTube as an escape zone, and it's not going as planned, but it's not bad either. So guys, keep supporting by liking, subscribing, commenting. I would love to hear from you guys. Like, some of you are funny, and as for the haters, keep being a hater. Why? If you don't like, just move. Guys, my name is Princess, and I'm basically like a Pinterest, but I'm everywhere and anywhere, and I'm just there. So sorry for blabbing. It's just, I hope I made sense. Bye, see you on the next video, and subscribe.